In this video of the Crown Comtech D Series video manuals, we're going to cover the various network modes available to these amps. We'll talk about what each mode does and show some practical examples. First, let's show where to change the network modes. With the amp online and the GUI open, click the hamburger menu in the top left of the screen. Then, click Settings. Under the Network section, you'll find the Network Port Mode setting, as well as the network information for both ports. Split is the default mode and is for using two separate networks or VLANs. In this example, port A is for H control and port B is for Dante. Next is redundant mode. When using redundant mode, port A becomes the primary Dante connection and also carries the H control information. Port B will be the secondary Dante port. Remember that in redundant mode, no control information is provided on port B. Last is switched mode. In switched mode, you can daisy chain multiple Comtech D amps to reduce the number of Ethernet ports required from your network switch. Port A will act as the Dante and H control output, and port B will act as the loop-through connection. A DHCP server will be required in switched mode if the amps are set to DHCP. We recommend a maximum of 4 daisy-chained amps. If you factory reset the amp, it will revert to split mode, the default setting. That's all for this video on network modes. If you're still having issues with your amplifier, then give us a call or start a chat with us from our Anytime Help Center. For more news, product information, and troubleshooting tips, visit us at crownaudio.com or our Anytime Help Center at help.harmanpro.com.